Yize lo mkhandlu lokuqinisekisa abezindaba ukuthi unozinzo kodwa isimo sawo siyaqhubeka nokuba manzonzo. Amaqembu abusa ngokubambisana akhiphe isitatimende esola usomlomo waso ngokusebenzisana ne-EFF ne-ANC ngasese. Amanye amalungu omkhandlu akholwa ukuthi usomlomo naye ugaqele isikhundla sokuba imeya yalomkhandlu.
We are ready to elect a new mayor. We've identified our candidate and we have the necessary numbers to do exactly that. Secondly, we need, in terms of legislation, to pass the adjustment budget before the 28th of the month. Currently, we are being frustrated by not being able to have such a council meeting to do all of this in time in terms of what is expected of us. The multi-party coalition therefore resolved to take the necessary steps to make this possible.
Usomlomo noyilungu lekhophu yaziphika ke lezi insolo. Amaqembu abusa ngokubambisana asefuna umphathi waleli dolobha angenelele abize umhlangano ophuthumayo ngokugunyazwa usection 29 omthethosisekelo.
Office of the city manager is the one through the IEC manager Navapile contacted the regional officer of IEC, who confirmed with him that it is short notice and therefore they would not be able to conduct elections for the election of the mayor. By the way, the city manager also had declined to convene that special meeting that people so much want to install the new mayor.
Amalungu omkhandla sesabisena ngokuthi azofaka isicelo sokuthi usomlomo akhishwe ngevoti lokungabethembi ubuholi bakhe.